The robots of Team Cambodia A have a lot of unique features such as: on the top of the tri-robot has the receiving net, which can slow down the velocity of the tri-balls before it goes into the receiving box without bouncing out of the robot. Then it rolls down into the rolling rings by itself into the pneumatic gripper vertically. And the gripper grip the tri-balls and slide by using the linear rail to put the tri-balls in the tri-sports. The tri-robot can put the tri-balls in the tri-sports automatically by using encoder and gyroscope sensors. The PR robot has a unique gripper that can slide left and right automatically on the linear rail by using a motor with rotary encoders and sensors to control the position of the gripper to grip 3 balls and puts the balls in the pneumatic throwing arm without moving the robots. Especially the PR robot can carry the tri-balls to kicks into the conversion post automatically by using the rotary encoder and gyroscope sensor to control the position and set the right angle of the robot. We use a 400mm pneumatic cylinder that attaches to the kicking leg for kicking the tri-balls. And also to reduce the vibration and for a smooth stop while kicking, we use a pneumatic damper.